Imagine a world where every individual, regardless of their background or beliefs, moves in perfect harmony toward a common goal. What if the power to change the world lay not in one person's hands, but in the collective force of many, working together seamlessly? As one delves into the concept of collective power, which emerges when individuals align their actions towards a shared goal, Baghai and his team of researchers undertook an extensive study, analyzing successful organizations and groups to identify patterns that contribute to the effective harnessing of collective power. The book presents a comprehensive framework for understanding how individuals can be inspired to collaborate effectively, turning their individual actions into a force for significant change. Baghai's central thesis is that the power of any organization or movement lies in its ability to bring individuals together to act as one. This unity doesn't happen by chance. It is the result of deliberate and strategic efforts to align individuals' motivations, beliefs, and actions. Baghai introduces the idea of as one archetypes, which are distinct models or patterns of collective behavior that organizations can adopt to achieve their goals. These archetypes are not one-size-fits-all solutions. Instead, they offer different pathways to mobilizing people based on the nature of the organization and the challenges it faces. One of the key insights in the book is the recognition that individuals are motivated by different factors, and understanding these motivations is crucial to fostering collective action. Baghai categorizes these motivations into two broad groups: intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic motivations are driven by personal values, beliefs, and a sense of purpose, while extrinsic motivations are influenced by external rewards, recognition, and social pressures. Effective leaders, Baghai argues, are those who can tap into both types of motivation, creating an environment where individuals feel personally invested in the collective goal and see tangible benefits from their participation. Another important aspect of the book is the emphasis on leadership. Baghai asserts that successful leaders are those who can communicate a clear and compelling vision that resonates with individuals on a personal level. This vision serves as a unifying force, guiding individual actions toward a common objective. The book provides numerous examples of leaders who have successfully harnessed collective power, from corporate CEOs to social activists, illustrating how their ability to inspire and align people was critical to their success. Baghai also explores the role of culture in shaping collective action. He argues that an organization's culture plays a crucial role in determining how individuals interact with each other and with the organization as a whole. A strong, positive culture can facilitate collaboration, trust, and a sense of belonging, which are essential for effective collective action. On the other hand, a toxic or fragmented culture can undermine efforts to unify individuals and harness their collective power. The book further discusses the importance of structure in fostering collective action. Baghai emphasizes that while a shared vision and culture are important, they must be supported by an appropriate organizational structure that enables individuals to work together effectively. This structure includes clear roles, responsibilities, and processes that facilitate collaboration and ensure that individual efforts are aligned with the collective goal. The book provides examples of organizations that have successfully restructured themselves to better support collective action, highlighting the positive impact that such changes can have on overall performance. As one, also addresses the challenges and barriers to achieving collective power. Baghai acknowledges that bringing individuals together to act as one is not always easy, particularly in large and complex organizations. He identifies common obstacles, such as resistance to change, conflicting interests, and communication breakdowns, and offers strategies for overcoming these challenges. The book emphasizes the importance of persistence, adaptability, and continuous learning in the pursuit of collective power. In conclusion, as one, individual action, collective power, is a thought-provoking exploration of how organizations can harness the power of individuals to achieve extraordinary results. Mehrdad Baghai's insights into the motivations, leadership, culture, and structure that drive collective action provide valuable guidance for leaders and organizations seeking to unlock their full potential. The book's emphasis on the importance of alignment, both in terms of vision and practical implementation, underscores the idea that collective power is not just about bringing people together but about ensuring that they move forward together with purpose and unity.